This week felt like summer in parts of the country, but we are expecting much cooler conditions, cloudy weather and some light showers. So while you get ready to swap your sunglasses for umbrellas, let's have a look at this weekend's weather. On Saturday, we have this cold front moving away from the country. Behind this cold front on Saturday morning, we are expecting foggy conditions over the western parts of the country. Then a reaching high behind the cold front, bringing cooler conditions, cloudy weather and some light showers to KwaZulu-Natal, later spreading around the escarpment into Mpumalanga, but remaining sunny and dry over the central parts of the country throughout this weekend. On Saturday morning early, we are expecting light showers still in parts of the Western Cape, with light showers along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the adjacent interior on Saturday, later spreading around the escarpment into Mpumalanga. On Sunday morning, foggy conditions expected in the Western and the Eastern Cape around the escarpment in the Eastern Cape, with a frosty morning over the high-lying areas in the Eastern Cape, lots of fog also over the Highveld and around the Eastern Escarpment, with light drizzle around the Eastern Escarpment in Mpumalanga and Limpopo. On Saturday afternoon, sunny conditions returning to the southwestern parts of the country, but remaining cloudy with light showers over the eastern areas. We can see scattered showers possible on Sunday around the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the adjacent interior. Only isolated showers for the rest of KwaZulu-Natal, with light rain around the escarpment and in the lowveld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. On Monday, we're finally seeing some precipitation over the central part of the country due to a surface trough extending over the western interior. East of the trough, we're expecting scattered storms to develop and move over parts of the Northern Cape, northwest of Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga, Gauteng and Limpopo, remaining cloudy with rainy conditions over the eastern parts of the country on Monday. Looking at our winds this weekend, we're expecting calm conditions on Saturday along the southwestern coast, but westerly to southwesterly winds spreading behind the cold front and blowing fresh to strong along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and strong southerly winds blowing along the coast of our neighbouring country Namibia. On Sunday, calmer conditions expected along the southern and the eastern coast, southerly winds now blowing in the lowveld, and southeastern winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong on Sunday afternoon along the southwestern coast, strong southerly winds still blowing along the coast of our neighbouring country Namibia. On Saturday morning, a freezing cold morning in parts of the northern, the western and the eastern Cape, Sutherland dropping to a minimum of 0 degrees Celsius. On Saturday afternoon, remaining cool to cold over the southwestern part of the country, with Cape Town, George and Graaff-Reinet seeing highs of only 18, much cooler now in KwaZulu-Natal as well, with Pietermaritzburg reaching a high of only 22, but remaining warm to hot over the northeastern part of the country, with Pretoria seeing a high of 29, and temperatures in the lowveld reaching the mid-30s. On Sunday morning, we're expecting a freezing cold morning over the high-lying areas in the Cape provinces. Light frost is possible in these areas, but temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. On Sunday afternoon, we can see the cooler conditions now spreading into Mpumalanga and Limpopo, Mbombela reaching a high of only 24, remaining cool to cold over the southern parts of the country as well as KwaZulu-Natal, with Pietermaritzburg reaching a high of only 18, but hot conditions remaining in parts of the Northern Cape, with Upington reaching a high of 31. On Monday, we can finally see some cooler conditions over the central parts of the country, with Johannesburg reaching a high of only 22, but hot conditions now over the western part, with Vredendal reaching a high of 31. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your weekend and enjoy the cooler weather.